On your LinkedIn page, there are some important pieces. Some are more important than others when it comes to actually crafting your LinkedIn. Just like on your resume, the top matters, right? So this top piece, when you load up a LinkedIn profile, that matters. Now I'm looking at my own profile, so I see this analytics panel here, but you would normally see an about page that's right underneath this kind of header. The top above the fold, however you want to think of it. This is the first impression when someone loads up your page, usually a recruiter, and I'm going to show you behind the scenes on the LinkedIn recruiter platform what it looks like for recruiters, for us. But either way, this is your ad. On the public-facing LinkedIn, you get to put some pizzazz. You get a banner. This doesn't matter on the recruiter interface. 85% of the people on your interview panel will visit your LinkedIn profile. So you want to make it congruent. When someone takes your resume and they click through and they visit your LinkedIn profile, you want them to be, oh, okay, this makes sense, not what, and surprised. So we're going to make sure that it's congruent with what you are putting out there in your resume. And it should add a little bit of personality to it as well. So your banner image can be whatever you want. At the moment, I have a speaking engagement as mine. That probably will change pretty soon. I like to rotate my banners a couple of times a year. And I like something very colorful. Luckily, this particular venue had a really nice backdrop. And then I like my profile picture to have a pop of color as well. And so this is something you can do for free in the free version of Canva, or you can go to Gemini and you can go to Nano Banana, which is like their image generator right within Gemini. You can put in a picture you like of yourself. It could be at your friend's wedding or whatever. And you can have it background remove and put a nice background for you. So any picture where you're smiling nicely can now become a professional picture. You don't need to go get headshots or anything like that. What I do like to see is that your face should be nice and big in this. You should be smiling, preferably with teeth. These are all things on a social network that matter. This is very uncomfortable, especially for those of you who don't like social networking. I get it. I don't either. It matters here because people want to click through from your resume and sort of make a connection with you. And that's what a smiling picture does. It helps make that human connection. So that is my advice on the picture. For your headline, I have a whole podcast episode on this where I break down headlines, what's good, what's bad. I'm going to do yours for you so that it helps. So when you do that LinkedIn deliverable on your dashboard, I will make sure that your headline looks really, really good. Your headline is not a job title. So I'm not going to make a job title headline for you. It's not going to say senior scientist or anything like that. My headline says helping biotech professionals build meaningful careers. Your headline should be what you do. What is the impact of your work? Behind that, I like this format here. I put vertical lines to just visually separate things out. This is not complete sentences. These should be keywords now. So I'm going to put a few keywords that I want to be found for specifically and that back up this headline, but also expand on it. And this is important because some of you may be looking at multiple types of jobs. You may be thinking about maybe staying at the bench and then also maybe branching out off the bench. And so here is where you can put some of that in. Let's say you've done some program management, but most of your work has been at the bench, but you've started managing programs and budgets and things like that from the bench. You would put program management here. So you can start to put some keywords in that may not be totally obvious from your actual just canonical work that you've done down in the experience section. Below that, I want you all to make sure that you click this Open To button if you haven't already. And you're going to say Open To Finding a New Job. And when you do, you're going to fill in all this stuff here, whatever your preferences are. That's all good information. And scroll all the way down, and I want you to put it for recruiters only. I do not want you to have the banner that says Open to Work on your profile picture. Studies show that people are less receptive to you reaching out and networking with them if that banner is on. They just expect you to start asking them for things right away. If you do have this recruiters only banner on, that is something that recruiters can see and specifically look for in the back end in our LinkedIn recruiter. It also puts you higher in all of our searches, and it's invisible to the public. So this is a really important thing to put on in your profile.